A chef with a hacker mindset spotted a problem in crowded cities, fresh meals during commutes, and opened a tiny Subway pop-up. A lean launch, smart menus, and waste reduction refined the concept, while customer patterns were learned in real time. When demand grew, the founder added a mobile kitchen that parks near offices and campuses, proving scalability. Local farmers' partnerships and data-driven pricing kept prices fair while profits rose. 2 years later, the venture expanded coast to coast, turning urban friction into predictable, repeatable success.